Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica's Financial Policy Committee says the country's financial system remains stable up to the end of August. The committee, which met this week to review the financial system's performance and risks up to the end of August 2022, says financial institutions continued to be adequately capitalized, liquid and profitable. The committee also found that asset quality for the banking sector remained stable and below the prudential benchmark. It says systemic risks associated with financial cycles and the system risk exposure in some sectors continued to be moderate. However, macro-financial risk from continued monetary tightening and fears of a global recession have risen. The fears are driven by a surge in the uncertain outlook for inflation, the pace of monetary tightening locally and among Jamaica's main trading partners. The committee says domestic financial institutions are, however, adequately capitalized to withstand these shocks. Microlending firm Niche Financing is now offering loans to fund tertiary studies. The company has partnered with the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, UCC, to offer the facility, which is now available. Students may borrow up to $4 million. Now, Managing Director of Niche Financing, Denniston Brown, says the facility is timely as more students seek financing coming out of the pandemic.
We have seen what the pandemic has done to the education, system. We have seen in the schools, the dropouts that have taken place. Some people have not been able to continue, they have had to postpone, and we believe this agreement that now exists between UCC and Niche will certainly positively impact, students to receive, affordable loans on flexible terms.
Let's head to the currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.60. $113.44 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $173.16 for the pound, while it's costing an average $154.25 for the euro. The JSE index rose by 4,247 points today, while the junior market index lost 6 points. Among the advances were Iron Rock Insurance, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, CAC 2000 9.5% Cumulative Redeemable Preference Shares, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, and Access Financial Services, while the decliners were led by Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investments, General Accident Insurance, and Express Catering. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.